everybody. I'm Nicola Blakemore, and I hope you're enjoying all the little videos I put up on YouTube, and maybe some of them you've managed to paint and enjoying doing it, and some of you are probably on my online courses as well, and some of you I might have met in person at one of my painting holidays. So hi, I hope you're all having fun with your painting challenges. Now, I know some of you would like to share your pictures with me and everybody else, but it's not possible to do that on the YouTube channel. And some of you might not want to be on Facebook, where I have a group there. But I have come up with an idea which I hope you will find helpful, and that's a dedicated site for all people who paint with me, whatever the method. Okay, it's called Painting with Nicola. All the details will be in the description box below. And it's a subscription site, but it's a very reasonable subscription. There are 3 levels that you can join. The first level is 99 pence or 99 cents or whatever you have, and that gets you into the paint box, which means you can access and see everything that's going on. It also means that you can put your marker on the world map, which is going to be very interesting to see those. It'll also give you quick and easy access to all of my YouTube videos, all in one place, and my online teaching, and you'll be able to see what other people are posting in the gallery. The other level, next after that, is called the Artist Studio, which is $4.99 per month. And this gives you everything that you had before, but it also allows you to post your photos and to make comments on other people's, to join in more of the community. And it also will give you access to the area where I post special offers, because I do try from time to time to get traders and people supplying goods to get some offers, some discounts to me. The next level is Nicola Studio, which is $9.99 a month, and this gives you everything, including a private critique once a month. So you can get in touch with me and you can say, Nicola, I've done this painting, what do you think about it? And that's really helpful to a lot of people I know. So that's quite special, really. A critique, feedback from me every month, so I hope that's attractive. And also there'll be a video once a month from me to you in that section, which is going to be about anything really. It's a monthly video, but you will see it there first. It will be an exclusive. So I hope you will go to the site, take a look at it, have a nose around. You can pay by the year, by the way, if you don't want to pay monthly. And let me know what you think. And I hope to see your little marker on the world map really soon. In the meantime, enjoy your painting.